This morning, Beijing time, China has just released a brief statement saying that two countries have implemented important consensus and carry out comprehensive, in-depth and detailed communication. Chinese Commerce Ministry says trade and structural issues are being discussed during the talk. The dialogue has laid a foundation for resolving mutual concern issues. So both sides agreed to maintain close contact, and there are not much of the details from Beijing's briefing, but later today, there will be a press briefing held by the Ministry of Commerce, and CGTN will closely watch on that. Yesterday, Chinese Foreign Ministry commented on the one-day extension of the talks. Spokesperson Lu Kang said it means that the two sides are conducting this round of consultations more seriously.
I believe if they are good outcomes, not only China and the U.S., but also the world economy would stand to benefit.
Hours before the statement from Beijing, the U.S. Deputy Trade Representative has issued a statement saying the two sides have been able to discuss ways to achieve fairness in trade relations between the two countries. And the U.S. also says Beijing is agreeing to buy more agricultural goods, as well as energy and manufactured items. But more thorny issues remain, including what the U.S. is labeling as structural changes on the alleged forced transfer of U.S. technology and intellectual property rights.